Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Dodge Journey. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. This Journey is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo, as well as your dual climate control and dual heated seats. Automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Journey on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.